Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to another Tuesday Tips video. Today we're going to be talking about how delayed gratification equals mailbox money. But if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I have a true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, delayed gratification equals mailbox money, all right? So most people, they chase the quick buck, right? They get into a work from home opportunity and they're just looking right away to make money. That's their only goal, is to make money. And you know, rightfully so, right? I mean, you start businesses to make money, but that's all they think about. They just want to get signups. They just want to make sales. They just want to make $10,000 in their first month. And what happens is, that's not the case for 99.9% of all people that join these opportunities. So they quit. And usually they quit within the first couple of weeks because they're looking for that instant gratification. All right? So you have to have a long-term mindset when you go into any type of business, really, especially when your goal is to build long-term wealth. All right? You have to have the long-term mindset. That's what the wealthy people do. They don't invest money into an opportunity or a company or whatever it is and thinking that they're going to get rich overnight. They invest money into companies and products and services that they know that will make them money over time. All right? And that's the difference between somebody who builds long-term wealth and somebody who doesn't. So when you're starting in the work from home space and you're trying to build a mailbox money empire, you have to understand that your success will come over time, providing you don't have that delayed gratification. You know, you're not looking for instant gratification, right? So results will come to you if you have delayed gratification, understanding that it takes time to build a business and to get results. So don't be afraid to invest your time and money into a business opportunity, a work from home opportunity. Just know you're not going to get the results you're looking for right away. And that's okay, because over time you'll start getting results, right? When you stick with it long enough, we talk about consistency all the time. When you stick with it long enough, you're going to start getting results. Those results are going to build momentum for you. And that momentum is going to lead to motivation. And once you get the motivation and you get results coming in, you're going to be unstoppable. I've coached people that it's taken them 6 months before they get results. I've talked to people who it's taken them a couple of years before they got results. But in the end, it's worth the time and that it takes to get the results. Right? I mean, if you really want to quit the 9-to-5 job and have complete time freedom to where you can do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow, I mean, who cares if it takes you 2 or 3 years to get to that, or even 5 years? Right? Like Jim Rohn says, any 5-year period in someone's life, you can change your life in any 5-year period. So most people, they join these opportunities, they quit within their first month, and then they just jump into another opportunity thinking that they're going to get rich in that opportunity, but they have the same patterns and they get the same outcome as all the other companies that they joined. And it's because they're not thinking the right way. They don't have the right mindset. They're looking for instant gratification. And most people don't even do any work. Most people don't even do anything to build their business. You know, they just do a post on Facebook, or you know, they might make a video every month. They don't stay consistent to get the results that they're looking for. And then they spend their whole life just jumping from program to program to program. How do I know that? Because I spent 10 years out of my 19 years jumping from program to program to program, right? And yeah, you can make a little bit of money here and there, enough to keep you excited and in the game, but you're never gonna build an empire. I didn't start building my empire until I started, you know, focusing on not jumping from program to program to program. That's what got me results. and staying consistent, showing up every day. Even when I don't want to show up, I show up. You know? So you have to invest in yourself. You got to find somebody who is getting the results that you're looking for, and is where you want to be, and follow what that person's doing. All right? Like Dan Pena says, success leaves clues. Just follow any person that's successful. And it is that, follow somebody who is getting the results that you're looking for in the industry that you're looking to achieve the results in, and follow what they're doing. And just show up every day. Right? So if you want to build a Mailbox Money Empire and you're into the work from home space, you could follow, somebody successful in the space. I show up every day, whether I want to or not. I'm on here every day. Some days it might be just a reel that I create. Other days I might make 1 or 2 videos. It could be a live video at nighttime. It's a post on Facebook. It's a post in my YouTube community. I'm sending out letters every day. Handing out business cards and drop cards. I'm taking action every day. I'm doing those income producing activities every single day. And that is what gets me the results that I get. It's nothing more than that. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a marketing guru. You just have to be willing to commit to a program, show up every day, stay consistent, take massive action, and you'll get your results over time. I can't guarantee when or if you're going to get results because it's based on your work ethic. But just know that every piece of mail that you send out, every postcard you mail, every Facebook post that you post, every video that you create and upload, those are all tools, seeds for your money tree, right? And over time, if you continue to water them, show up every day, those seeds will grow. And you'll get results. And it's as simple as that. You have to build patiently. Just know that, all right, I'm going to start taking action today. I'm going to do a 90-day blitz. The next 90 days, I'm going to tell all of my family and friends, listen, when I'm at home, after dinner, I'm going to be in the office. I'm going to be working an hour or 2 every night on my business, or every morning, or whatever it is, for the next 90 days. Okay? And when you do that, you're going to start seeing results. But you have to stay committed to it, right? Tell your friends, listen, I can't go out this weekend. I know it's a football game. I'm not going to go out to the bar. I'm going to stay home, and I'm going to focus on building my empire. That's what it takes. You have to sacrifice. You can't have everything. You can't have everything. You have to sacrifice some things in life to get to where you want to be. So it just depends on how bad do you want it. So that is it. Just build patiently. And when you do that and you have the right mindset, then your Mailbox Money Empire is going to become unstoppable. And you'll get results quicker than, when you're out there just having the make a sale, get a sign up, make a sale mindset. All right. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this with others. If you think, or if you know people who might find value in my videos, please consider sharing it. That all helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And just commit to showing up every day, spending an hour on your business, and knowing that you're going to delay the gratification. You're not looking for success overnight. And eventually your Mailbox Money Empire will come to fruition. All right? It's almost impossible for it not to, if you're taking action every day and showing up and staying consistent. Right? So with that being said, I hope you have a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.